Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to explore how to set up your Flipdish to Lightspeed POS integration. In order to receive online orders into your Lightspeed POS, you will need to connect your Flipdish account with Lightspeed. In order to do so, there are a few things you will need to configure and provide us with, such as server location and Lightspeed company ID. This guide will walk you through the process. First step is to log into your Lightspeed account. Now we're going to set up a category within the Products tab on the left-hand side of the page. Now click Add Category. When the box pops up in the center of the page, type Flipdish in the name field. Uncheck the visible box as you will not need this on your Lightspeed tablet. If you want to easily differentiate your regular categories and the Flipdish categories, you can choose to change the image to the Flipdish logo. Simply click OK to complete creating the category. The next step is to configure the discount and service charge setup. We can now navigate to the Products tab on the left-hand side of the page, which is just located below the Categories tab we were just using. Scroll down past your products or menu items and towards the bottom you will find the Flipdish category that we just created. In this category we will configure the Flipdish discount, processing fees and the delivery fees. Please note that all three items need to be set up regardless if you do delivery or not. In the Add Discount section, please type Voucher in the name box. In the PLU/ID box, please type Flipdish-voucher, all uppercase. Then uncheck the visible box. And in the discount types, select Reduction Ticket. Customers based in the US or Canada, please use Reduction Current. Within the service charge section, type Processing Fees in the name box. In the PLU/ID box, type Flipdish-processing-fee, all uppercase. Uncheck the visible box, check the Open Price box, and in the service charge type, select Fixed Price. Then in the Add Service Charge section, type Delivery Fees in the name box. In the PLU/ID box, type Flipdish-delivery-fee, all uppercase. Uncheck the visible box, check the price box, and in the service charge type, select Fixed Price. Now let's look at the payment setup, which is the last part of the Flipdish Lightspeed setup process. All you have to do is add a payment method and add a description to your cash payment type. If cash is missing, please create one. Please note that the cash payment type can have another name, but the description must have the word cash in it. Navigate to your payment types and create or adjust them to match the values I'm about to show you. In the Add/Adjust Payment section, type cash in the name box. In the description, type cash, and in the type, select cash. In the visibility section, as per your preference, checking the box makes that payment type visible on your iPad or POS. Then in the Add Payment section, type Paid Online in the name box. In the description, type Paid Online. And in the type, select Card. In regards to visibility, we would advise you to uncheck this box. Now let's move on to server location and company ID. In order for us to allow you to connect your Lightspeed POS with Flipdish, we need your company ID. This is not your account ID, and we also need your server location. Please email your customer success manager or help@flipdish.com with your restaurant name, server location, and company ID. You can find your company ID on any of your reports. In this example, we chose the day report. In other reports, the company ID might be called Company Unique Identifier. The server location is the first 4 digits on the URL when you have logged into your Lightspeed account. In this example, the server location starts with EUC. Other possibilities are also, but not limited to, EUW, NAE, and NAW. And finally, now that you've completed the Lightspeed setup and provided Flipdish with your company ID and server location, the Flipdish team is now ready to set up our end of the integration. The team will reach out to you with further instructions on how to authenticate the connection between Flipdish and Lightspeed. To check if the connection has been established, go to app.flipdish.com and log in with your Flipdish portal login details. Scroll down the page until you see Integrations. If the icon says Connect Lightspeed, then you're not currently connected and you should click on that icon. You'll be prompted to enter your Lightspeed login details and then will be asked to allow the integration. Simply click Allow and you are now integrated. When you return to app.flipdish.com, you will now see that it says Disconnect Lightspeed, meaning you are now connected. When the connection is made, you are integrated and the Flipdish team can pull your menu from Lightspeed. I hope you found this video useful, and if you'd like to know more about the integration setup between Lightspeed and Flipdish, please contact help@flipdish.com or get in contact with your customer success manager. Thanks for watching.